Welcome to Lipscomb Fiat. This is our Fiat 500 convertible 1 litre mild hybrid Dolcevita Plus in electric ash grey. Standard vehicle features include electric cloth roof, 16-inch multi-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels, chrome detailing on the front and rear bumpers, front and rear fog lights, LED daytime running lights, rear parking sensors, chrome detailing on the door handles, body colour mirrors. In the interior, we have the black and ivory leather quilted seats, black ambience, black leather steering wheel, chrome detailing and button controls for the phone, voice control, volume, digital TFT dash screen, 7-inch touchscreen with controls for radio, DAB, Bluetooth streaming, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, 2 USB ports, body coloured dash and glove box, cruise control.